This amazing camper is a 2022 Highland Ridge Olympia 20 FBS. It is almost new and has never been used. In fact, there are still wrappers on some of it. This 24-foot camper sleeps 4 with a queen-size bed in the front bedroom and a jackknife sofa. The living room slide also gives lots of extra room. A full bath with shower, large refrigerator, heat, and roof-mounted air conditioning are ready to make for a great getaway for you and the family. There's also a power awning, inside and outside stereo, 2 propane tanks, fresh gray and black water tanks, and it's pre-wired for solar. There really are too many features to mention. Come see it in person at Goldstein Buick GMC in Colonie, or call us at 518-869-2291 for more information. 518-869-2291, Goldstein Buick GMC in Colonie.